What's your name? Can I help you? Can I help you? Now listen. If I'm gonna do this, hey, don't make me mad, all right? Hi. What's going on? You know, all this sled riding today, my eyes are a little dry. Excuse me. Hi. Hi. No, please don't hit me anymore, okay? I'm serious. I don't want to talk mean. What's your name? Huh? Oh, hi. Please, I'm really, actually, I'm serious. Don't do that anymore. Okay? Hi. So, oh.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Katie.
Katie. I'm Gravy. I'm Gravy Jr. My uncle was Gravy Sr. He was very good. He used to do this. He used to go. Oh, is the camera on? Do you have any questions for me? Any questions for Gravy?
Your face is turning blue.
It's very uncomfortable. Very You tired? I'm tired. I believe my eyes about to fall off.
Here, let me fix it for you.
Don't. Hey, kid. Hey. Ow, that's my eye.
Hi.
Oh, hi. What's your name?
You know my name.
Oh, it's Katie, right?
Yes.
I'm Gravy Jr. Well, I guess it's bedtime.
Where's your nose?
I don't have a nose. Gravies don't have nose. Well, I'm a little congested.
How old are you, Gravy?
Oh, about 45.
Is that human years?
Yeah.
Wave your hand at me.
Yeah, we're rocking now. What do you want to do? You want to do some rock and roll?
Yeah, why don't you walk?
Well, I'm going to sing. You ready? Okay, it's my favorite song.
Why is your tongue upside down?
Hmm?
Why is your tongue upside down? Your tongue is upside down.
Ew, that was very Jabba the Hutt.
Okay. Gravy's got a headache.
All right, good night, Gravy.
Good night, Brian. Be good.